better way to profess your love than a girl's best friend? Walang iba kundi diamonds. Ito dapat ipapakita natin. Asa ba yung mga diamonds mo dyan? Ayan. Yan po ang ibibida nating negosyo ngayon sa Kita Tayo kasama ang mompreneur owner ng Michaela Fine Collection na si Miss Maricor Dagdagan. Good morning, kapatid.
Good morning. Good morning, Miss Angela. Good morning, everyone.
Ayun. Thank you for joining us today. At syempre, yung aming team ngayon, Wednesday, di ba? Miyerkules, nagtapat ka ng iyong pag-ibig.
Ayun.
So, pag nagtapat ng pag-ibig, dapat meron ding symbol yan,
Yes,
di ba? At
of course.
eto na ang ating mga diamond and other accessories or jewelries rather, no? Pero unang-una po, bakit po ba Michaela ang naging pangalan ng inyong negosyo?
Well, Michaela Fine Collection kasi yung daughter ko, my only daughter who's also my youngest daughter is Michaela. So I thought of coming up with the name of a business na kayang niyang i-take over pag lumaki na
In the
siya.
future.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice naman, ano? And of course, paano po nagsimula ito? Anong kwento sa likod ng Michaela?
Siyempre, nung pandemic, wala tayong masyadong magawa kundi mag-online shopping.
Right.
And then I realized, medyo mahal pala tong hobby na to. So sabi ko, I no longer want to feel guilty kapag bumibili ka ng jewelry. Kapag, di ba tayo, pag women, lagi nating, nafe-feel na, oh my God, ang mahal.
Oo.
So, nung na-realize ko that there will be a lot of women who probably feels the same way, sabi ko, I'll try to source jewelry and then give it to them at a very reasonable price. So I started back in 2022 with just 100,000
Wow.
na kinuha ko pa sa credit card ko.
Oh, diba?
So bumili ako ng maliliit na items like 10 pieces, binenta ko siya. In 1 month, nabenta siya. So sabi ko, sige, enroll natin ng enroll until ngayon, lumaki na siya.
And the rest is history nga, sabi nga nila.
So, yeah, we're very grateful sa aming mga clients na nagtitiwala sa
Sometimes
amin.
na talaga yung yung pagtitake ng risk ang importante. No?
Correct,
Kita mo na,
yes.
ginamit mo lang ang credit card mo
Yes.
pero bumalik naman din. Pero ang tanong din po dyan kasi, how did you start it na ibenta? No? Kanino mo unang binenta yung mga jewelry?
Opo, very important yun kasi ang una talagang magsusupport sa'yo will be your friends and family. So, yung mga postings ko before, online lang lahat. Siyempre, hindi pa natin kilala, hindi pa tayo kilala ng ibang tao.
Right.
So, yung mga friends and family natin na mahihilig din sa jewelry, sila yung unang bumibili and nagto-trust sa atin.
Yes.
And then word of mouth until lumaki tayo ng lumaki. And until now, mas maganda na yung reputation ng brand dahil meron na tayong stores.
That's nice to know. And yun nga, no, nabanggit mo kanina, from 100,000, yun lang yung naging capital mo dito. And of course, sabi nga din talaga ng mga business owners na nakakausap natin, you really start from your own circle of friends,
Yes.
family, and then they will support you eventually
Correct,
through word of mouth,
Correct,
diba? Eh, talagang lalawak siya. So, tuwing kailan po ba ang peak ng season ng mga, or peak season ng mga jewelry business?
Well, of course, February is one of them because of Valentine's. Dahil ito naman talaga ang pinaka-perfect na gift for your loved ones, right? It lasts a lifetime, it appreciates, and you'd really be able to show how much you love the person. Siyempre, Burr months, kakatapos lang, that's also very good season for us kasi yun naman yung time when people buy for gifts for their loved ones as well.
And I
Yes.
also heard from the grapevine. Grapevine, they came, Mami Dims, actually, na talagang ang dami mo ring mga pinagkakaabalahan. So talagang
Ayan,
empowered
oo.
woman ka.
Yes.
Diba? Sa madalit salita. So, paano nyo po ba, diba, nababalance yung inyong oras sa pagiging isang ina, pagiging isang entrepreneur, and other roles that you have in your life?
Well, I don't know if I could say it balance, pero I try my best.
Ayun.
And ang aking secret ingredient is meron akong very supportive support system.
Yun ang importante.
So we have very good support system at home. Meron akong very good staff and employees sa Michaela. And I have a very supportive and loving husband.
Team effort talaga.
Yes.
Pero eto na, the moment of truth.
Yes.
Gusto ko nang isa-isahin itong mga nasa harapan ko. Pwede ko bang i-mine lahat? Oh,
Ay! Pwede!
ang yaman! Anyway, so, pakita naman po sa amin, ma'am, yung ano po yung bestseller ninyo. At saka, kunyari, first time na bibili,
Yes.
diba? Ano po yung advice na maibibigay nyo sa kanila? Which one yung dapat bilhin nila? Kunyari, sa loved one nga nila.
Okay. So we can start with our most affordable items. ito po yung mga sets natin and basic gold jewelry. So we have earrings that could cost around 5,000 to 10,000. Ang mga ganitong klaseng sets po could cost around 12,000 to 20,000 depending on the size. Pero sulit na po siya because as we all know, gold kasi nag-a-appreciate yan.
Right. Ito, puntahan naman natin, ma'am, yung mga rings that you have here.
Yeah.
Yan, anong pinakamaganda dito?
Of course, ito
Parang
pong
ganda
mga...
nito,
Yan. Ito po yung mga starter rings natin. Ito yung mga mabili at mabenta sa amin kasi good size na siya for a small ring, right? So 0.30, 0.20 carat diamonds. That's natural diamonds po. That could cost around 30,000 to 40,000. Meron ka ng natural diamond ring. Of course, meron po tayong mga GAA certified diamond. Ito po yung may mga certification. If the diamond is bigger, syempre po, mas tumataas yung presyo niya. Ito pong ring na to is an emerald cut diamond, 0.50 carat, costs around 70,000 pesos.
Ayun. So, ito yung mga certification. Kasi, kailangan natin mga ganyan dahil nagkalat ng mga fake.
Ay, naku, totoo po yan. We
Di ba
only
po?
sell natural diamonds and authentic gold.
Exactly. So, pwede po ba magpa-customize sa inyo?
Of course. So, ito pong suot ko, it's a custom-made nameplate necklace. And any design po that you could think of, if we can do it, and if you could imagine it, we can do it.
Ayun, I like it. So, para po sa mga kapatid natin na very interested na umorder po nito, nadala po ninyo mga jewelries, paano po nila kayo makakontak?
So, we are available online, Michaela Fine Collection, in Facebook and Instagram. And we also have a TikTok account, which is michaela.fine.collection. Of course, you can also visit our stores at in SM Molino, in Bacoor, Cavite, and Evia Lifestyle Center in Las Piñas.
Yan. So don't forget, itong nakikita nyo po, ay makikita nyo rin yan kapag makausap nyo po si Miss Maricor.
Yes.
They have rings, diba, couple rings, bracelet, earring set, nako, lahat nandiyan dyan na. Diba? Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. Maricor ng Michaela Fine Collection. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you po.
Bye!
Mga kapatid, Dimples Romana po, kumpletuhin ang inyong umaga ng mga kwentong puno ng inspirasyon. Salubungin po ang bawat araw ng may ngiti at pag-asa. Kaya't mag-subscribe na po at mag-follow na sa aming social media pages ng News 5.